Hey, I am back again with the Southern Skeins Vintage Lane Holiday Advent, and here is day 15. So, day 15 is yellow-green. And here we go. Very yellow-green. And I'm laying it with all of... I have a lot of mini skeins now. Wow. Look at all these. I do think it's missing some blue. Yeah, that's what it's missing. It's missing some blue. But it's beautiful colors. Absolutely beautiful colors. So, tell me what you think about the colors down in the comments. I'd like to know. So, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye.